Hello from Colvin Plumbing. Today we're going to talk about basket strainers. We just had a customer complain last week that they were getting a smell coming into their house, as well as whenever they're using the basket strainer, they would have to open and close the plunger multiple times in order to get the sink to drain. And I'll show you what happened is when you look at this basket strainer that we have in front of us here, when you look into the bottom, you can see these other fins down here. What was happening is food was getting caught in between the holes of the drain. So as she was moving the plunger up and down, she was moving the debris and buildup underneath, then freeing up the drain so it would move again. And as food and soap and any other particles get caught up there, it was building up. So we're going to open this up right here. This is for anything that has the center screw inside like this. Usually from any box store would sell this as their version. There's the center screw. These are usually plastic underneath, and why they design that way is because the kitchen sink needs to get basically sandwiched between the upper piece and the lower piece with the gaskets, and that's what makes the seal between the two units. They need a way of fastening the upper and lower parts of the drain together. By having the center screw, they need the nut that this threads into underneath in the center as well, and that's why they have these additional supports in here to hold that nut in place to make this then fasten together. What's causing everything is this cup here can't be cleaned. So this is where the food debris, soap, and grease all build up in here. This is why you end up getting a smell from your kitchen sink sometimes, because you can't clean that. I'm going to show you the example right here. We have the left and right basket strainer from the one that we took out. As you can see under here, this is now all the garbage that's been sitting in their sink for a period of time, causing it to back up. And at the end, this is down now into the tail piece underneath. So that was one of the basket strainers. The other side of the sink was very the same. We've taken the center screw out. We pulled this up, and then you can still see it's moisture in there. It's pretty gungy, and you have the buildup underneath going into the tailpiece. A way to avoid that is the ones that we at Colvin Plumbing install. And here, I'm going to show you right here. This is a Kindred basket strainer with this cell. Now, you still have the center where that goes into. The difference is that the cup is on the outside with the nut being on the outside. So you don't have a screw in the center. When it meets the kitchen sink, the seal is still here with the metal lip pushing up against the kitchen sink, and the retaining nut is on the outside. This leaves the center of the drain to be open and not have flow restrictions for draining on the inside. It is just the one group of pieces, not two. So if you're having issues with your kitchen sink draining, or you're having smell coming in, that could be your issue. And what you have to do is just replace your basket strainer. I hope that helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye now.